एवरीवन, मैं हूँ रमनीक कौर एंड वी हैव विद अस वेरी अमेजिंग कास्ट ऑफ कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ध्वनि भानुशाली एंड आशिम गुलाटी.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
वेलकम टू हर जिंदगी.
थैंक यू.
सो पहले थोड़ा काम कर लेंगे, फिर दिल्ली वाली बात करेंगे फिर. सो अमेजिंग ट्रेलर, एंटरटेनमेंट पैकेज फुल. तो ध्वनि, दिस इज योर डेब्यू. सो कैसे सोचा कि सिंगिंग से मूवी में आना है?
It was actually very difficult, to be very honest, and I didn't actually think कि इतनी मुश्किल होगी, you know, because you think something else and when you get into it and you do it, बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि यार नहीं हुआ तो, you know, वो nerves भी आती हैं, because sometimes you don't crack a scene. Sometimes you're just, you know, doing a scene with your co-actor and you're just like lost and you're not at par. And that happened with me a couple of times. But thankfully the prep was really strong, and the people around me, be it our director Saurabh Dasgupta, Lakshman sir has really helped me through it all, and Ashim. I mean,
इन्होंने ऐसा आपको फील कराया कि वो आई एम द सीनियर ऑन द सेट?
नहीं यार,
ये पता है सब सीनियर बोल के मेरे को ऐसा साउंड करा रहे हैं कि मैं पता नहीं कितना.
No, but you have done films and it's a debut, so obviously you could have behaved like a senior. अरे मैं
he
तो
could
senior
have,
हूँ,
but he
हाँ.
wasn't, and he was really helpful. And अभी तेरे बारे में अच्छे बोल रही हूँ मैं चीज़ें, तो मुझे पैसे भिजवा देना. तो just kidding. So he was always there, yeah. He was always there as a really good co-actor and my senior, and taught me a lot. And I think बस यार बहुत मज़ा आया इनके साथ काम करके.
Ashim, what about you?
guys?
How was the experience working with Dhwani?
Dhwani Bhanushali, Dhwani, as some say. Okay.
Papa says.
Best thing about working with somebody who's just starting off is the fire that they bring. You know, there's a willingness to learn. There's an openness. There are no inhibitions. So it's almost like a very childlike quality that you come with, because anything and everything that you can take from anyone, you'd want to take in.
Yeah.
Because we all know her as a musician, but to be wearing these boots is a whole different ball game.
True.
So one better be prepared, and she was, and that's how my experience with her was initiated, and it was great.
So did you guys meet on the sets only, या आप पहले से जानते थे एक दूसरे को?
No, we had our workshops, we had our readings, so we had all of that. Our prep was pretty decent.
So पहला first impression क्या था एक दूसरे का?
तू ही बता दे.
यही. So when you meet someone who's been in the same field for so long, and you know you're a newbie and you're going to do this, so it does get a little bit scary, but I feel like he tried his level best to make me comfortable, and I think that was sweet.
And what about you?
The best thing about her was her innocence, and the most annoying thing about her is also her innocence. I just feel like sometimes you got to be a little more present, because she has this ability to like just shut off and leave this planet, the planet X. The purity with which she performs, and the kind of hard work that she put in.
बहुत ज़्यादा exhausting है, back to back promotions है, relax करने अब इसके बाद कहाँ जाना आपने? घर. छुट्टियाँ में छुट्टियाँ नहीं चाहिए इसके बाद.
उसमें भी बहुत ताकत लगती है भाई, घर जाके सो जाओ चादर ओढ़ के.
No relaxations?
नहीं, मैं of course लेकिन अभी मेरे कुछ और 2 projects हैं, वो आ रहे हैं, तो उसकी promotion शुरू हो जाएगी.
When?
So one's in November, and the other ones I think in December or Jan. But before that, I think I'm going to go to my recluse is the ocean, so I'll go dive.
Nice.
Yeah.
तो सेट पे सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम कौन लगाता था रेडी होने के लिए?
आशिम.
वैसे लड़कियां ना वैसी बदनाम है रेडी होने के लिए, लड़के ज़्यादा टाइम लगाते हैं.
Not at all.
I would come on time. I'd get ready on time, be on set on time, like a good girl. No, I think both of us were on
No, I
time.
don't
कोई
think-
late नहीं होता
I
था.
don't think हमारा that was the kind. We didn't have that kind of. We had so much to do. So I don't think that we
Everything
were-
was
on time.
Yeah, everything was on time. We were always like pretty much there, and we were also we've shot the whole film in Bhopal.
Ooh.
So outdoors are usually hectic, even for
Okay.
producers and like
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you know you have to you need to finish because there's so many people there, so much involved. So you
And
have
so
to
much daily expense.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you have to finish everything in that amount of time. So you got to be a little sensitive to all of that. And
So Dhwani, you are from Mumbai and you are Delhi ka gabru. So, what do you think? One good thing about Delhi and one bad thing about Delhi, and vice versa about Mumbai.
About Mumbai.
Yeah.
मुंबई में यार बाल कभी सही नहीं रहते. मतलब it's oily यार. Like you wash it one day and the next day is just like. But otherwise, I think Mumbai is great.
serious
It's got
problems. Hai.
Very serious.
Yeah, and
That's
the
a girl
traffic.
problem.
And the traffic. But otherwise, Mumbai is great. It's beautiful. It's safe. It's just. I don't think I could live anywhere
ये
else.
safe वाला point इसने taunt मारा है हमारे.
Yeah.
ठीक है जरूरी भी है.
Yeah. So, what about you? But you have lived both the lives, like
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Mumbai as well. So, what do you think? Which is better, Delhi or Mumbai?
ओहो हो ये तो आपने मेरे को बहुत ही कश्मकश में दिल्ली whenever I come to Delhi it just feels like यार it's an emotion.
True.
Bombay I associate with work.
Okay.
दिल्ली के बारे में अगर अच्छी बात आप पूछें तो दिल्ली की सर्दी
Perfect.
मुझे और कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं लगता है मतलब in the sense when I come to Delhi in November and post that I love going for long walks I love going for long drives there is this thing about it it's जब अब तो खैर fog कम होती है smog ज़्यादा होती है लेकिन उसकी खुशबू वो एक खुशबू आती है ना जब winters
I know.
you know what I mean
yeah, I can totally understand.
that's the feeling and that's when I come back and Diwali का time जब शुरू होता है oh ho फिर then you get ready you wear your all the गर्म कपड़े पहनो और बाहर जाओ फिर खुशी का माहौल होता है there's like celebrating Diwali then you go into like so it's like that with winters
Vibe.
it's just really nice the thing that I don't like about Delhi is how unsafe it is for women एंड आई थिंक बॉम्बे में मेरी जितनी दोस्त हैं जो भी लोग हैं उनका हमेशा एक यही रहता है शिकायत कि दिल्ली जाने से पहले मैं वहाँ पर ये अगर जाऊँगी तो मेरे को यहाँ से वहाँ जाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा किसके साथ मैं अकेले जा नहीं सकती हूँ तो ये सारी चीज़ें इसका जिक्र ही होता है तो वो मुझे अंदर से कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि यार शहर मेरा है और अपने शहर में लोगों को छुप के और टाइम देख के जाना बॉम्बे में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है बॉम्बे में आप 12 बजे निकल जाओ इट्स ऑलवेज अलाइव सो इट्स अ लॉट सेफर
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.